Are you looking for a simple way to make 5,000 Naira every single day in Nigeria with no investment? This step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to make money online in Nigeria without the need for any initial capital, whether you are a student or looking to earn extra income. So this video will provide you all the information you need to start making money online in Nigeria right now. So don't miss out on this opportunity to make money online in Nigeria. So, and the best part of this particular application, they can send you through they can pay you to your bank account so directly. So let's dive in, guys. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a simple site that you can use to make at least 5,000 Naira every single day in Nigeria with your smartphone without any investment. If you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so you do not miss any of my videos, and give this video a like because YouTube will recommend it to my people. And if you want to make 5,000 Naira every single day in Nigeria, let me know in the comment section. Type I need 5,000 Naira every single day in the comment section. So I'm really appreciate that. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel in the description of this video. So in that particular channel, we share some tips and tricks that will help you to start up and scale your business in the online space. So in that particular Telegram channel, we share some more ideas that you can use, and it will help you to make more money online in Nigeria. And also, don't forget, I'm going to leave the link of this particular website in the description of this video. So without waste much of your time, let's dive in, guys. So as you can see right here, this is the website that we're going to use in this particular video. So the name of this particular website is Pumps Up. So stick with me from the beginning till the end of this particular video, because in this step-by-step guide, I want to show you everything step by step. So stick with me, watch this video from the beginning till the end, because if you skip any part of this video, you just skip some important parts. So as you can see, this is the interface of this website right now. It says earn easy cash online by performing simplest tasks, earn thousands of Naira daily by performing simple social media tasks such as liking, commenting, and following. So as you can see right here, get started, how to start earning. So the step one to make money on this website is to create an account, link your social media account, perform tasks, and withdraw your earning. So as you can see, earn money by helping other people grow, get paid by helping people grow, no investment or sign up pay required. So you do not need to pay any money before you register to this platform. Over 100 daily tasks. So there are a bunch of tasks every single day on this website that you can use to make money, and the withdrawal is instantly. As soon as you request your withdrawal, it will not take a time. They will send you your money instantly directly to your account. So no investment or sign up fee required. So the registration is absolutely free. So you just start ready to start side cash from home. Register now. So I'm going to walk you through how to register on this platform and how you can just start performing simple tasks. So if you are getting value from this video, guys, I need you to give this video a thumbs up. I'm really appreciate that. Please like this video because YouTube will push it to more people and they will benefit from it. So now I'm going to register with you in this particular video. So let's jump in right now. So let me just click on this register button. So as you can see right here, what you need to put here is your email address. So let me just put my email, your full name, so your state. So as you can see, I am from Bauchi State. Then select your gender. male, then age. So let me put 24 years. Then enter your password, which is so strong. So they will recommend you a password. If you need, you can use it. But for me, I have my password. I'm gonna put it right now. So put the one that nobody can guess, and even you can't forget it. Then confirming my password. Then go ahead and click on register. So it's loading, as you can see. So let me save my password. So boom, our registration was complete. As you can see right here, so this is how this website is look like. So tax, earn real cash for completing tax. As you can see, all WhatsApp ad will be on. So this is just an notification from people that pay people to do something through their WhatsApp. So as you can see right here, we are in the tax section. So let me click on dashboard menu. So as you can see, boom, our registration was done. So this is your dashboard. So if you accumulate money, this is where you can see it. And if you perform a tax and then never pay you, this is where you're gonna see a spending earning. So to get some information updates about this website, so you can join their Telegram channel, as you can see right here. So this is our profile section. So this is our name, state, email address, and whatsoever our information. So social media, we have never entered that. So but I'm going to walk you through right now. So let's click on this social media account. So you can link any social media account that you have. So for me, I have a YouTube channel. I'm gonna put it right here. So let me click on it. So let me click and put my YouTube channel. So as you can see, I've entered my YouTube channel here. So it's okay. So now let me take you the tax section where you're gonna perform a tax here and make money. So to make money on this very website is so easy. So what you're going to do is to just like, commenting, and following, as you can see right here. So those are the types of tags that you can use. So you can see right here, like post on TikTok to get 4 Naira, like post on TikTok to get 4 Naira, and this one even to like post to get 4 Naira on TikTok. So like post Instagram, comment or reel on Instagram 4 Naira, like post on Twitter 4 Naira. So as you can see, there are a lot of tags that you can use every single day on this website to make money. So if you come here, you want to see the bottom of this website, the tax was earned. So you can click on this icon, this forward icon, you can just click on it and another tax will pop up, as you can see right here. So look at this one, it is paying you for 9 Naira. Tag a friend or retweet, repost a post on Twitter, you're gonna make 9 Naira. Follow profile on Facebook, 4 Naira. Telegram bot, as you can see, there are a lot of tags that you can use on this website to make money. Comments on video on YouTube, 4 Naira. Comments on video. So I'm going to walk you through. So now let me just perform some tags for you guys to know this thing is work perfectly. So let me come back. So let me follow this particular Instagram account. So you can click on this forward icon. So okay, I've never filled my Instagram account, so let me put it right here. So whatever task that you're gonna do, you need to put your username. So as you can see right here, this is my Instagram handle. So let me do it now. So as you can see, it's loading. It's loading now. So as you can see right here, so this is the instruction of this task. So this is the link that I'm going to visit and click follow and upload the screenshot. So to perform tasks on this website is so easy. Awesome. So let me click on this link right now. It will take me to my Telegram account and to follow that. So boom, so this is the account that I'm going to follow now and screenshot this particular account and put it as my prop in that website. So let me click on this follow button. So as you can see right here, so let me click on this screenshot. So now I've just performed this task. As you can see, easy. So let me upload the proof right here. So click on this box and then upload that screenshot that you have done in that particular account. So this is our image. So as you can see, it was uploaded right now. So you can see here, mark complete code. So your social media name. So this is my Instagram username account. So any particular task that you need to do on this website, they will ask you to put your to put your username. So let me click on this mark complete. So click on this mark. So I don't know whether something happened. So as you can see right here, our task was done completed. As you can see, this is our pending earning for Naira. So this for Naira, the person that upload that tax, as soon as verify that tax, he will release our money and it will become on balance section. So let me show you our tax right now is under review. So click on this view pending tax right here. So this is the first one that we have done was in the pending section, and we have done the Facebook one, follow profile on Facebook, and so now it's under review. So there are a lot of tasks that you can use to make money on this very platform. So those are the engagement tags like liking, commenting, following, and other stuff like that. So if you come across to this section, you can see post tags. So this one is to post on your WhatsApp status. So you can get 50 kobo per view. So that means if 2 people see your status on WhatsApp, you're gonna make 1 Naira. So it's just like an advertising. So whatever someone watches your WhatsApp status, you're gonna make 50 kobo. If 2 people watch your story, you're gonna make 1 Naira. So as soon as possible, you just need to share some status to your friends. And I know a lot of people now are using WhatsApp. so much. They are using WhatsApp so much, so you can just upload that particular ad. So you can just link it with your WhatsApp number. So let me click and put my WhatsApp number right now. So I'm omit something. So as you can see, I've just put my WhatsApp number. This the verification that they need from you is to make a post on your WhatsApp status with the caption verification for pumps of tax. So this is just like you are advertising this website to your friends. So I'm going to show you a simple hack or secret that you can use to make more money on this platform. So stick with me from the beginning till the end, so because I don't want you to miss any part of this video. So as you can see right here, when they first get over 30 views, you can make a submission so it can be verified. After the first has been verified, you will be able to complete post tax. So what they mean here is that if you forced an advertising tax on your WhatsApp, so you need just 30 views so to submit the proof of this tax. So if you are ready, so I don't want video to be too long, so I can't even do this tax now. So after this video, I'm going to do all my tax later. So as you can see here, our pending earning, we have Naira here. So this is the referral section. So share this. As you can see here, earn 6% of whatever your referral earns. So a lot of people are now jump on in the internet right now to make money. So copy this link, go to your Facebook groups like how to make money online groups and show them make money online by liking, commenting. So whatever you post, people they're gonna comment on your post, and you can just explain to them what they need to do on this website, and you can just send them your link. So whatever they accumulate on this website, you're gonna earn 6% of whatever they have earned. So this is how this thing works, and it will help you a lot to make money right now. So don't rush, go ahead and start making money right now. So if you don't know how to perform a tax on this website, or you didn't understand how I do it now, so you can just watch this video. It will show you whatever you need to do. So if you accumulate more money and you want to withdraw it, so you can click on this withdraw section at the bottom of this website. So as you can see here, we have never accumulated any money that we need to withdraw. So for you to withdraw, you need to add your bank details. So click on this edit bank info. So you can choose whatever bank that are using. So let me put my offer right here. Yes. So you can click and put your offer. So boom, so it's okay. Our credentials was updated. So if you accumulate your money, you're gonna come here and withdraw it. So if you find this video very valuable, please guys, like it, give it a thumbs up. I'm really appreciate that, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. And don't forget, the link of this particular website is going to be in the description of this video. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel, and even that particular Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video. So see you in my next video, and peace.